When we travel, we like to bring extra door locks, and they're really lightweight and they're small. As you can see, they travel, they kind of snap into themselves and they travel really narrow. Easy to keep in a bag or a pouch or a pocket of a bag. And they both, these are two different types, but I want to compare them and contrast them here. But they both they're similar, that they both have a metal component, and this is going to go into the door. And then they have this other component which kind of locks the metal component in. And then they both have a chain that connects the two. So one of the differences is the shape of the metal thing. We'll talk about that. Another difference is the length of the chain. They're similar, but this one does have technically a little bit longer. And there's lots of different varieties and companies that make these, but these are very similar in this respect, and the reason is because I wanted ones that I could get two fingers into to remove both quickly and easily. So in an emergency or in a situation where we need to open the door quickly, we want to be able to easily grab this. So I like the type with the larger grabs, and then just if there's any kind of stickiness or if it gets wedged in there, you want to be able to pull it out easier. You got two fingers, makes it easier. But then otherwise these are pretty much the same. They make them in a red color, which I prefer, and then also I've seen them in different colors like black also, but I think the red makes it easy to remember that it's theirs before you pull on the door. So this part is similar, it's just that this one has just one size, where this one has the larger size. And I actually find that the larger size I use more often. This is more for like an indoor or for like for inside doors. This is more for your outside door in a lot of hotel rooms. This one does work most of the time, and what I like about this one is it has this bend, which does allow it to lock a little nicer. So while they're both a little bit different, they both work, and I find this one is the one we ended up getting second, and if I was going to buy them again, I'd buy this one, mainly because we stay at hotels and they use the larger locks. If you need one for an indoors, then either would work, and this one is a little nicer because of the curve. So if you need it for an inside door or if you need it for an outside or hotel. Hope this helps.